Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create another map on your Philips HomeRun 5000 series. If you have multiple floors or multiple places where your robot goes and you may want to create another map, you can click on the settings in top right corner in the app, then select my maps and click on plus in top right corner. Now you can start mapping like you normally do when setting up the robot for the first time, and it will map that floor, and that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.